Hey guys, my name is Diana, aka San Diana. Sorry, she's like at my feet. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash a first impressions of this Influenster box. So they sent me a bunch of kind of health snacks. I have to admit I did open it. Sorry. I'm not very patient, but I just wanted to basically show you the goodies inside, let you know what I thought of this stuff. And yeah, so let's do it. Okay, so this is called the Balance Vox Box. So it basically, on the back, it shows you everything that's inside and its value, its dollar value. So let's start with, I guess we'll start with the easiest. I got this via little coupon for 1 free bag of Via snacks. So these are supposed to be real ingredients baked into, they're like crackers. So 6 varieties, great with hummus, olive oil. Oh, never mind, those are the types. There's seed crackers, world crisps, and mini crunch bars. Cute. So this is supposed to be valued at $7. Then I got this new Cliff Nut Butter filled energy bar. So it's supposed to be like $2, and it's this new flavor. So nut butter filled energy bar. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to try that in a second. These look really cool. They're called Herbaland Protein Gummies. Vegan fibers, so it says 28 grams of fiber, 10 grams of protein, and 1 gram of sugar. So if you're counting macros, it's right there on the front. And that's kind of insane that they put protein in little gummies. So I'm really excited to try this. And then finally, they gave me a little David's tea package. Hold on. And it says, all you need is tea, find your perfect blend with our life-changing tea selections. So, inside the little pouch, we have, Mila's going through my box right now. She thinks there's snacks. Okay, so first we have a lemon cayenne cleanse tea. So I guess this is really good if you've been eating a lot of junk and you kind of want to get it out of your system. I've been eating okay, but I'm definitely going to keep that. Next is an organic detox green tea. So same idea. And then this one is a Turmeric Law. So this one I guess is supposed to boost your immune system and stuff like that. This is probably the one I'm going to try today. And then it comes with this little coupon for 1 free cup of tea when you go to David's Tea. Valid until January 31st. I'm filming this on February 12th. Bless you. So no free tea. But I have 3 little bags of tea, so I'm going to try at least one of them for you guys. I don't really want to do a flush right now. It's late. Okay, so first I'm going to try these little protein gummies. If I can open them. Oh. Okay. So they smell like those little hamburger gummies. Like if you had when you were little, they were like shaped like little burgers, and they were, yeah. That's what they smell like. And they look like, can you see my dog trying to eat these? They look like those fruit to go things. I don't like them. It's a good attempt, but to me, it tastes almost like you can feel the protein powder that they put in the mix. Like it's not like a smooth gummy. And I get it's probably because they're vegan gummies. Bless you. But I'm really not a fan. If you're used to drinking a lot of protein shakes, you probably won't notice it. Personally, I really only drink them every... Bless you. Usually, I only drink them every rare once in a while. So for me, no thanks. Next, we have this Cliff Bar. I love like peanut butter and almond butter. Oh, it smells so good already. So I'm pretty like certain that I'm gonna love this one. Kind of looks like a big slab of like mush, but it smells good. It's like super nutty. The outside, look, oh, this is chocolate peanut butter, by the way. And it kind of tastes like a Reese's cup with like oatmeal or something. I don't know. I really like it. I would buy this one. So, this one wins out of the snacks because the other one was gross. I'm gonna go grab some tea. Okay. So I used my favorite mug. Let me show you. It's, I don't know if this is in frame or not, but it says my mascara brand. I'm counting that as exercise today. I actually, like, I've never bought David's tea to take home. I'm more of a tea, like, in the moment kind of person, so I've only gotten it like in this store. But I think this is so cute. The tag is like a little cup and it shows like all the little info on it. So it says like how it's best made and it says caffeine free, which is really good because it's like kind of late right now, but here we go. It's like, okay, this is called the Turmeric Law, so it has a little bit of spicy in it, but it's really orangey. Like, the color's orange, but it's also very, like, it's a mixture of, like, florally. Can you see that? It's a bless you. It's a mix. It's a mixture of, like, floral and, like, citrus and, like, a little spice. Like, it's really hard to describe. But it's really good, and I would recommend it. If I was allowed to still use my free cup, I would get this again. Basically, that's been it. This is what I was sent this month in the Influenster Balance Vox Box. So I'm guessing balance into your life for health. I don't know though. I guess like January. New things. I'm rambling. Okay, so I'm gonna link everything down below. Even if you want to try the protein gummies on your own, maybe it's just my taste that doesn't like them. I don't know. They're $7, so it's not a huge investment if you want to try them out. Also, if you are a content creator and you want to get started with Influenster, they're really good for you to start getting products to review. So I'll leave that in the description box down below as well. Please like this if you want to see more videos like this. If not, comment what you do want to see, and I'll see you next time. Bye.